12-inch on the left should be easy. 8-inch next to it. I'm going to skip the silver silhouette, go to the 10-inch and the 10-inch black on the center of the orange silhouette. See if I can get it back. This afternoon I had a few friends over to Riders Range to shoot the portable Texas Star at 50 yards. I issued a challenge a couple of weeks ago and we managed to get together today, and my friend Rick Oy, who just happened to be the champ at the 50-yard Texas Star. Remember, that portable Texas Star has 6-inch plates. I'll put a link in the description up here. And he managed to clear all 5 6-inch plates, only 11 shots. Took me a whole lot longer than that, but Rick was kind enough to leave me with something to evaluate today. The Staccato XC. Very nice little gun, very interesting little gun. I did have a chance to shoot it, and wow, I gotta say I'm impressed. This gun weighs in at just under 41 ounces. That's with the light in the front. I'm not a light fan, but it does add some weight to the front. And with the Leupold DeltaPoint Pro sight on it, by the way, the gun did come equipped for an optic, also has suppressor height sights. These came with it. Besides the absolutely wonderful trigger on this, that by the way is 1 pound 11 ounce average over 5 pulls. A phenomenal trigger on this gun. But oh, by the way, the slide works extremely easy. But you'll notice that the compensator built onto the barrel and the front sight is also built onto the barrel. Very controllable gun this way. Double stack, I'm not a huge fan of double stacks, but this one does work well. A 20 round magazine for this gun, sticks out just a little bit, and is ejected with a really nice, very tactile and very extended magazine release. Rick said that this gun, other than putting a sight on it, is stock, and let me tell you, it runs. We're going to put it through its paces at 12, 25, and 50 yards, and I'm sure that it will do its job. The question is whether or not I can do justice to this gun. The Staccato XC on Riders Range. The Staccato XC, we're going to run the plates at 12 yards, maybe even run through twice. We'll see how well that I can do with this really light trigger on this Staccato XC. Rick said it likes 147 grain ammunition, so we're shooting 147 grain Federal, and let's see how it runs at 12 yards. I can live with that. Let's try one more time. Pull that one shot. It does shoot nice. Boy, that trigger is sweet. Staccato XC with the Leupold DeltaPoint Pro. Let's run this at 25 yards, 147 grain Federal. 12-inch on the left should be easy. 8-inch next to it. I'm going to skip the silver silhouette, go to the 10-inch and the 10-inch black on the center of the orange silhouette. Come on. See if I can get it back. Alright, let's run it out to 50 yards. Let's see how this Staccato XC with a Leupold Delta Pro works at 50 yards, running 147 grain Federal. Let's give it a try. Alright, the white 16-inch with the black center should be the easy one. That wouldn't be a problem. How about the white 12 with the orange center hanging to the right? And how about the white 10 way over on the left? Orange 10 next to it. Those are almost too easy with this. Alright, should we try the 6-inch plates on the portable Texas Star? Come on, settle into the trigger. Alright, that was supposed to be the easy one. Still got a few rounds left. Let's see if I can maybe pick another one off there. Now I'm just spraying. And that's it for that magazine, 20 rounds. Couldn't get those last couple. This is a really, really, really sweet gun. Alright, Staccato XC, 9mm double stack. The compensator and the front sight built right into the barrel. Leupold DeltaPoint Pro on it. And a sub 2-pound trigger pull. 20 round magazine. Wow, what a gun. I want to thank my friend Rick Oy for loaning me this gun today. And I need to take it out and shoot it a little bit more. Absolutely wonderful gun. And here on Riders Range, we really appreciate people loaning us something that's unique like this to try out. If you like this video, we certainly appreciate a thumbs up. Appreciate comments down below. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe, click on notifications so you're reminded of what else comes up on Riders Range in the future. Trying to still get a video out every week. Comments on anything that you'd like to see, info@ridersrange.com. Check our website, www.ridersrange.com. And I want to thank you for stopping by to look at the Staccato XC on Riders Range. I can live with that. Let's try one more.